In this video, we're going to look at how to get the total number of workdays per month using an Excel formula. In this example, we have the dates, which is represented by month and year in column B. And for a more accurate result, we also have a list of public holiday dates captured in column E, which are going to be used in our formula. To get the total number of workdays in a month, we're going to be using the net workdays and the EO month functions. So let's go ahead and enter the formula into cell C3. That's equals net workdays, open parentheses. The first argument of the net workdays function is the start date. The date that we need to insert here is the first day of the month. The way we achieve this is through the use of the EO month function. So let's enter this in, which is EO month, open parentheses, and we'll select our start date, which is captured in cell B3, followed by a comma, and then enter a value of -1 into the month's argument and close the parentheses. This will return the last date of the previous month. And all we need to do now is to add a value of 1. So that's +1 followed by a comma. This will now return the first day of the selected month. The second argument is the end date, which will need to pick up the last date of the selected month. This again is achieved by using the EO month function. So let's enter this in. That's EO month, open parentheses. We'll again select the date, which is captured in cell B3, followed by a comma, and enter a value of 0 into the month's argument and close the parentheses, followed by a comma. This will return the last date of the selected month. The third argument is the list of dates that capture the holidays. This argument is optional. However, for a more accurate result, you should select this list. In this example, we capture these holiday dates in range E3 through to E12. So let's go ahead and select this range. We'll also change this range to an absolute reference, meaning this will remain fixed. And let's complete the formula with the closing parentheses and press the enter key. And that's it. The formula now returns the total number of working days in a month based on the selected date. You can now drag the formula down for all the other dates and see the results. I hope you found this video useful. If you did, please click that like button and subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.